Hello dear students, my name is Ankit Bhaviskar and I am from Jai Somnath English Medium School. Today we will learn about Standard 9 Subject English. Lesson number 1, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov, who was a university professor at Boston University and he taught there biochemistry. Moreover, in this chapter, we will deal first with the introduction. The story deals with a girl and a boy named Tommy and Margie. The story deals with a boy and a girl, Tommy and Margie. Tommy was 13 and Margie was 10. They both were living in the 22nd century and the date was May 2157. That means they were living in the age of 22nd century in the future. Moreover, in this lesson, Tommy found a book like we are studying now, okay, in which it was written about the old school. For them, the old school is that which we are studying currently, having a building, a man teacher or a lady teacher teaching you, okay, because they were not familiar with that part. They had the mechanical teacher and their school was there one of the room of the house which had a computers and slot machine where they have to put in their papers, their homeworks. For them, it was a really new concept and a surprising concept that in a one building, all the students they gather, okay, study in a one classroom, study the same subject, and a man teacher or a lady teacher teaching the different subjects to the students, and all of them were learning in a very nice way. Moreover, Tommy was 13 and Margie was 10. So Tommy found that book in the attic. Now the story goes on. Now the book which Tommy brought, okay, it was like a wrinkle, old book, okay, and he said that it cannot save more than a one part. After we read the book, it has to be thrown away. So what is the need of that book, right? So he was of that opinion that television which they had, okay, at that point of time, the television which they had, it was having the storage of lot of memories of the book, and it was in millions. So they could continue the reading proportion and it could not have to be thrown away. But for the Margie, she hated the school. Now at that point of time of them, in their age, the school was round the corner of their house in one room and they have to be taught by a mechanical teacher. Now Margie was going through a very bad time because her geography teacher was giving the test after test in the geography subject. The teacher was a mechanical teacher, okay, actually was a mechanical teacher, he was teaching all the subject, but he was giving more of a geography and he was taking one after the another the test of the geography subject. Now happened what? And she was doing very bad. Margie's mother was in a real fuss. अब उनको चिंता हो गई, जैसे आपका रिजल्ट कम आता है तो पेरेंट्स को थोड़ा ये हो जाता है कि भाई रिजल्ट क्यों कम आया. सो मार्गीज मदर took the mechanical teacher and took her to the county inspector. Like we have a DO office and education inspector, likewise she took to the county inspector. The county inspector, he opened up the whole mechanical slot of this mechanical teacher. The county inspector opened the whole mechanical slot of the mechanical teacher. And the most important thing was, he adjusted the geography slot. Which was little bit high. And as you know, Margie was a 10 years old, so he set the level of the geography slot up to the 10. Okay, and he said to the Margie's mother, ma'am, there was no worry, just it was little bit round up more, that's why the teacher was giving the geography test more. Now it is okay, and now it was a level of Margie. Now what happens next? We will study in the next part. What happens next? We will study in the next part. So the story will go on and we will be learning that what will be the next step. So we will make this the part of the next. Now in the previous part we have seen that Margie has hatred for going to the school. Now they both opened the book which the Tommy had got from the attic, in which it was written, as you know, that there was a school building where all the children came, studied, and it was taught by the human teacher, not the robots. So Margie was having the little bit liking for that school, but Tommy said that he did not like the book because once we read the printed one, it has to be thrown away. But the books which were stored in the television, which were millions and millions, they would not exhaust. They would not exhaust. Now what happened? This mechanical teacher was sound up to the level of 10, up to the age of Margie. The mechanical teacher was wound up to the level of 10. Now one thing was there, that Tommy's mechanical teacher was taken off for a month because it has a blackout. And he was only giving the history lessons, no other lesson, no maths, no science, no grammar, nothing. He was only giving the history lessons. So it has to be taken away for the month. It was to be taken away for the month. Margie thought, now Margie was having the gut feeling and she was thinking about the old school fashion, that all we have one building like you study. Okay, now you all must be missing the school. Margie also thought that there might be a building where all the teachers and students come. The teacher teaches the students and they enjoy their break. They sit together, they learn together, they talk together like you all enjoying. But it was the 22nd century and as you know, the school was just around the corner of a room of a house. Okay, and the teacher was a mechanical one who was asking them for homework. Now, as it was a time for the school, Tommy and Margie was called on by the mother of Margie. Tommy and Margie was called on by the mother of Margie that the school time is there, you have to round up all the activities and you have to go to your classroom. You have to round up all your activities and you have to go to your classroom. So Tommy, what he did, he put the book in such a manner between his arms. He put the book in such a manner between his arms and he went away. He went away for the classroom. Now, when the Margie went into the room, the mechanical sound, okay, she was having such kind of a computer and the slot was there where she had to put her homework. So Margie reached her room and she sat in the front of the computer where a mechanical teacher like this came upon the screen and he said that today they will be studying the arithmetic class. Today they will be studying the arithmetic class. And he also asked Margie to put the homework in the slot. In no time, that means in a very quick time, he checked up all the homework and they carried on. But still, Margie's mind was lingering. Her mind was stopped on the previous time of her grandfather. Okay, when the man was teaching and the students were learning in the building called school. So I hope in today's time you all must be missing the school. So Margie is also missing such kind of a school where a man or a lady teacher is teaching and the students are enjoying the studies, enjoying with his friends and talking with his friends. Thank you.